How to use Miro for beginners, Miro tutorial. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build your own visual workspace using Miro. So let's get into it. Now, Miro helps you in creating simple wireframes, customer journey mapping, strategies and plannings, and using it as a primary project manager. It can help you in building your retrospectives, mind mapping, whiteboarding, all in one space. So you are able to do all of your work in one singular space. Now let's get started into Miro. To get started, click on sign up for free on the top right. And once you do that, you can sign up with your Google account or your email address. I am just going to proceed with Google over here to complete my sign up on Miro. Now, once you create your Miro account, you can get started with building boards. Now, by default, you will have a workspace for you in Miro, and you can click on Add Teams to add different teams. Different teams can be created to be able to accomplish different tasks. So if you have maybe a product design team, you can create a separate space for them and then a separate space for your marketing team. And that can help you in keeping your work segregated. Now, with Miro, they also have several different templates that can help you in getting started. And these include different use cases, so you can search for workshop templates, agile templates, diagramming, research and design, strategy and planning, and you also have custom templates that you can design. You also can see icebreakers and community templates that are present in the Miroverse. This will help you in building teams and creating a team building effect in your online teams as well. So let's get started by creating our first board on Miro. To do that, we are going to click on new board over here. And once we click on new board, we are going to, I'm going to delete some of my older ones, which are not required, like so. And there is a limit to the free version of Miro. That is something you do have to keep into consideration. So if you are looking to create multiple different boards, you will see that on the free version of Miro, you can only create 3 editable boards. So if you want to create more than 3 boards, you do have to upgrade to either their $8 starter plan, $16 business plan, or enterprise version for larger corporations. Now I'm going to be using a template to get started, and I want to build a simple strategy and planning board. And we have timeline workflows, product roadmap, and we also have workflows. I'm actually going to use the product roadmap, but I will change that from product to different projects. So I will click on create team boards like this. And just like that, our board has now been created. Now, once your board has been created, you will see if you zoom into this particular board, there are different sections, including a product design section. Then we have a product development section. Below that, we have a marketing section, as well as a sales and product design section again. Now, if I don't want to use this for product design, a really simple way that I can edit this is to proceed with these elements over here. And instead of this being a section for product design, I can name this for different tasks that I'm working on. So let's say I'm working on Durden Incorporated, and I can mark all of their tasks in the red section. Then let's say I'm working for Melissa's ads. And then below that, let's say we're working for Meraki, like this. So we can add multiple different sections over here that can help you in ensuring that you are able to separate your boards. Now, after that, you will see on the left, we have this drag option, and we can choose to drag different tasks over here. We also can integrate more than one template. So if I want this task section to also have a mind map section or a hierarchy, I can also add different templates over here as well. Below that, you have a simple text section that can help you in adding text. So let's say for the first section, I'll edit the text over here. And instead of product design, this is going to be my meeting, or let's say this is going to be for Logi Designs. And then let's say our first task is to send a proposal. Then we also have to do market research like this, and then we can, add different elements. Now, this is just one template. If you want to play around with multiple different templates, you can go on ahead and open up another one. Now, this just really depends on the type of type of board you're looking to create. We also have the start, stop, continue, retrospective one, which is a really simple example of your day-to-day task management and project management. So it's primarily it helps you in task management. So if I go on ahead and go over here, you will see you have some action shortcuts. You have a timer and private mode. I don't need these features, so I can go on ahead and delete them as well. But you will see over here, I can write notes, and then in the notes, I can move them along. So if I have this note and I'm supposed to do something in it, let's say I have to create copywriting or Logi designs like this. So this is what I should start doing, what I should stop doing, what I should continue doing. I can also move one card simply by holding it like this in different sections, and this can help you in keeping all of your work organized as a team. Now, alongside this, I usually like to use a Kanban framework or either a simple hierarchy builder. Hierarchy builders are also going to be helpful for you to manage workflows. And if you are looking to manage workflows, you can search for timeline over here. And there are quite a lot of different pre-built timeline builders. You will see you have one by Miro. You also have other templates by third parties available. So I personally like all of these templates that are built because all of them are designed super well and can help you in saving a lot of setup time. So you guys will see this is such a large template. Now you will see on the left, you have your success criteria, planning backwards, then we have our timeline view. After that, we have again another builder, key deliverables, as well as PLOs and next steps that are supposed to be taken. How do we set this up? Well, if you go ahead over here, we have our success criteria. So what we are looking to do, what are our specific goals? Let's say we are going to be launching marketing goals like this. And this is going to be to launch or to create, develop, launch, monitor, and reach 10K views. Let's say that's one of our goals. So I can add these goals and I can, provide more descriptives about that. Once I have my goals set up, I can go towards the bottom and I have planning backwards. So I can take certain steps and I can, define them on how we can achieve these particular steps. Then next in this, we have our timeline, so I can build out everything. When one thing is supposed to happen, if there's a certain launch that comes with it, so if a particular milestone is going to be here, I can mark it in red over here. And just like that, I will be able to have access to a visual workspace using Miro. Now, with Miro, you can see that because I have access to only 3 boards, it will create one of my boards as a view-only board if I exceed the limit of 3 boards per free account. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you are now able to get started with using Miro. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.